It's just like a house that you have at home. There's things to fix. We spend a lot of time doing that, and then there's opportunities to perform science on board the station, and we get a chance to do that as well. You're seeing a lot of some of the science experiments here that are performed up on the space station, and those are the kinds of things that we do. We get a chance every once in a while to do spacewalks when we're up there, and those are really exciting too, because you actually put on a spacesuit and you become a spacecraft as you go outside, and that's also very cool. So anyway, so that's what it's like. My flight, I was on Expedition 4, which was back in December of 2001 to June of 2002. So about 6.5 months up on the space station. Really, it was the culmination of my career as an active duty astronaut. And I had flown 3 shuttle missions prior to that, and all of those were about 2 weeks long. But getting a chance to live on the space station, work on the space station, I felt like I was kind of an extraterrestrial. So yeah, it was pretty cool.
So we've also got, we're going to have 2 astronauts on stage here. Terry Wirtz. And Carl, I'm sure you know Terry. So I want to thank you for coming today. And I'm going to give you the mic and tell everybody a little bit about your flight and how things worked.
Okay. Hey guys, I flew twice to the station on the Space Shuttle Endeavour, and then a few years later on the Russian Soyuz on Expedition 42, 43. I was there for 200 days on that flight. But first of all, where are you guys from? This area?
Yes.
Like where I grew up in Lanham and Howard County and PG County. Where are y'all from? PG County, okay. I was in Silver Spring and Lanham when I was a kid. And you guys are a part of an aviation program, right? For the Tuskegee. I wish I had that when I was a kid. I didn't have anything. That's awesome. And are you guys high schoolers? Okay. What, like all the same grade or different grades? Between like the whole age group? Okay, cool. Very cool. Well, welcome here, and you guys get to call the space station, which is also cool. I never got to do that as a kid, so I'm like really jealous. I wish I could be in high school again. But anyway, yeah. So Carl and I were in the astronaut office briefly together. Carl's of a different generation than me. But he's a lot more experienced and wise. Yeah, but do you guys have any questions? Like you can ask. You don't have to be all stressed out, because once he gets on the radio, it goes fast. But ask away. We can. Yes.
What did you do before you were an astronaut?
Before I was an astronaut, we were both Air Force guys. So I was an Air Force fighter pilot. I flew F-16s, and then I was a test pilot, and then I was an astronaut. Before that, I was a Maryland high school student. What other questions?